Sometimes project managers don't want to see these parent tasks, and they just want to see these subtasks, the ones that are actionable items basically. So they like to have the tasks column, if you can call that the name, with just the subtasks, and then they want to create a column separately for the major deliverables, so that they can categorize each of these subtasks as which group or which major deliverable it belongs to. So I'm going to create a new list here so that we can just show the nine things, nine subtasks within each deliverable, and then we'll create a group, and we can classify which one belongs to what. So I'll use the plus sign here for construction, or next to the construction project space, and list, and I'll say new house 2, and then we will use AI again to create a work breakdown structure from the information that we have in the project charter document. And for that, we'll go to project, or the construction project space is somehow doesn't let me choose from here. So I'll go here and then click on AI. Now we can choose the space, and we'll say refer to project charter. In fact, I could probably use the previous commands and edit it, but we'll just go with it right now. Refer to project charter for new house 1 doc. Create or use the subtasks within each major deliverable as tasks in new house 2 list. Now, I tried this before where I said create a group column in new house 2 list, and then in that group column, the three options should be the three major deliverables, and it didn't work. It seems like ClickUp, we always need to create, whenever it's something new we have to create, like a column or a list or a space, we have to do it manually. So instead of wasting time again asking it to create a column right here, we'll do it separately. For now, let's just get a new work breakdown structure, if you will, using a new list. And it should show us 9 items, the 9 subtasks, 3 for each major deliverable in our work breakdown structure. It'll be like a to-do list, but eventually we'll say what must happen before what in a later video. Notice that it's not asking us for where the file is because of the space that we used before we made a request. So I don't know whether it did or not. It seems like all subtasks have been created, so it should have. I think it's done, even though it's showing you the major deliverable in the list here. The links are only for the ones under that, under each of them, so subtasks. So new house 2, and there we have it. Now we'll ask AI to create a column, a custom field, and we will say the options for the custom field for each of these tasks are the three major deliverables coming from the project charter. So let's do that. AI button right here, and we'll say create. First of all, we'll have to make sure we tell AI right here that we are in new house 2. If it doesn't work from here, you can select from here as well, and then we'll say create a custom field. Basically, it's a column, custom field called, we can give the same name, major deliverable, or a group if you like, called major deliverable, with the three drop down options. The, or I can say which are the three major deliverables in the document, which was called, if you recall, project charter for new house 1. Now, because we're in new house 2, it knows it should create a custom field in new house 2, but the information is coming from the project charter document, which is in this space. Let's see if it works. So it's showing us the three major deliverables we had in the charter, and then saying, would you like to create a custom field? Yeah, that's what we want in new house 2 list with the three options. That's great. I will say yes, create the custom field with those options. I can simply say yes here, but I can click on that. Uh, Currently, I do not have the ability to create or configure new custom fields. I mean, it almost did it. I mean, it said it would do it. So now it's asking us to, create a custom field ourselves. So let's do that. We have the three options: architectural design and planning, construction and structural work. So we'll do it right here, and we'll say custom drop down and major deliverable. And for each option, we can, or I can just, it's not letting me copy for some reason. Maybe okay, it's good now. And then for the second option, this is the third one. Interestingly, it doesn't like to have two windows. Okay, I'm done with this one here. And I'll say create. So from right here, we have, we'll now create, or we'll select the option. And for that, I need to go back and see the project charter, what belongs to what. Um, these are all, I think, listed in the order that was presented in the charter. So we could just select from right here. And then these are for construction. And then the last three are for interior finishing. I'll later check whether these are accurate by comparing with the charter. But it's pretty straightforward. It's a disappointment that it did not create a column for us. But this is how we would play with. Once we have these 9, it'll be a lot easier to track the things without having to worry about what it belongs to.